Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make someone a mod on Discord. So to do this process, you could just simply first go ahead and go to your Discord. Now from here, of course, you could just simply go for the server that you have, that you manage. And now you could just simply go for the server settings by selecting the channel name at the top and go for the server settings. And now from here, you will have an option or roles. So go ahead and select that. Now you could create a new role for moderator. So from here, I'm gonna go for role name moderator, and you could decide your display. And the most important thing over here is the permission. So make sure you have the manage channel, manage roles turned on. And if you scroll down, make sure to have the kick and approve reject members turned on. They could ban members or even time out. And of course, make sure to have the text channel permission turned on over here. So pretty much this will be depending on you. But to have a more flexible moderator, of course, make sure to turn everything on so they can manage your server very well. So pretty much over here, you will have multiple options to have your moderator access to every feature of the Discord of being a moderator. So pretty much just simply take your time to use this feature to have a personalized permission. And once you have done that, you could just simply go ahead and select save changes down below. And after that, once you have created the moderator, select the view members over here, add members, and just simply add one of the members into your friend or the server. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.